We're at the historic Sycamore building in Terre Haute, Indiana, aka the tallest building in Terre Haute unless you include the courthouse. Very beautiful directory and a mailbox. We got 2 elevators here. We'll take a ride on this one because it says they want us to use it. That indicator does work, by the way. This looks like it totally replaced something older. Well, let's go up to 12. This is a KONE mod. Totally replaced by KONE, it looks like. It's got a high ceiling, but the cab is so incredibly tiny. There's a little table in it. Innovation security fixtures. Capacity. I can't, the table's in the way. Oh yeah, 2,000 pounds. Got key lockouts, looks like. Interesting indicator, or lantern rather. But this is a total replacement of whatever was here originally. I think these used to be Otis actually, but here we are. And there it goes.